Hey guys, welcome back to Pebbles Crazy Crystals. My returning subscribers, welcome back. Those of you who are new, my name is Marcella. I am the owner of Pebbles Crazy Crystals on Etsy. I will put a link to my store in the description box below. And today I'm going to be showcasing some new items that I just got in from my Indonesian supplier. And I wanted to kind of give you guys a preview before I actually list them on the store. Okay, so let's go ahead and get down to business. So the stone, I actually have 3 stones that I'm going to be showcasing today. So the first one is going to be palm root, which it kind of dispels any negative energy. It also, protects you from any lower vibration situations, energy vampires, things like that. Okay, so I do have some palm roots, palm stones that I got. I actually like this one with the white and pattern in it. Here's another one. This one here has more beige. Okay, here's another one here. This is actually the first time that I have this stone in the store, so I'm pretty excited. This one here has a portal, kind of a druzy pocket, as you can tell. It's another druzy area portal pocket right there. So today is April 27th that I'm filming, so hopefully I'll try to have all of these listed sometime tomorrow evening. These are pretty good sized palm stones too, so. I've always had a resonation with palm stones. All right, and this is the last one here. I think only one had like the druzy pocket in it. So I did manage to get some towers. Let's see. You know, I really wasn't expecting for all of these to be almost the same height. But I do like the uniqueness of the pattern. Oh wow, that looks like an alien. You guys see it right there? Wow, that's crazy. I don't see anything on that one. Anything? No? That was a very, very unique pattern on that tower. So I do have 5 of the towers. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 of the palm stones. I have a beautiful moon. And actually the stand comes with it. So I'm using this handheld device for my phone as I'm recording. Trying to see how well it does. It does free up my hand, so that's really nice. Okay. All right, so that's how it looks with the stand. You pan back a little bit. Uh-oh. Put that down. So if you do decide to get the half moon, it will come with the stand. I have this gorgeous dragon head. I love the carving etchings on the back here. It's pretty heavy too. So those of you who are really interested in dragons, and any Game of Thrones fans out there. I mean, it doesn't look like any of the dragons on the series, but it's a dragon head nonetheless. And I did manage to get skull. And I like how half is tan and the other half is black. It's almost like your subconscious in the black, and then your conscious mind is in the tan. It's a beautiful carving, though. Okay, so the other stone that I do have, I managed to get some iris agate miniatures. These here, they had different types, but I kind of wanted to get the butterflies. These are very fragile. So I'm trying my best not to drop any of them. This iris agate has more of a light beige. So I managed to get a few of those. And I'm going to bend down just for a second. So you're going to pan over. I did manage to get some crazy lace agate spheres. This one here has a beautiful druzy. Really, really deep portal down there. Let me see. Probably, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is my black light, so. But this one here is a very, very beautiful specimen. Very beautiful. Like I said, I love the sparkly druzy aspect to it. And I'm going to bend down a few more times here. Okay. Here's another specimen here. Let me fix the camera. Let's see if you guys can see it. Now these are not UV resistant at all, so I just happen to have this flashlight out so I can see the portals. Give you guys a better look. I did manage to get 2 smaller spheres. This one here has a small druzy pocket in there. It might be a portal too. It's too small for me to tell. I do have some portals in the back though. And I have one more Oh, this one has a beautiful pocket. So what I am going to be doing on most of my unboxing videos, I'm going to put a YouTube coupon. So if you are interested in purchasing from me, all you have to do is use that coupon. It will be 10% off your order on Etsy, and kind of gives me an idea of who's coming from social media and who's actually coming, um, from other avenues like Etsy ads, Google ads, things like that. So anyway, guys, I'm just going to pan over the items again. I'm still trying to get used to this neck holder. I'll probably end up doing some video shorts on these items because this is a small order. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. And those of you who are on my Facebook private group page, I will definitely put some photos. But guys, I really appreciate you spending this little quick moment with me. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. It'll greatly help out the store, and greatly also help out more awareness and more visualization and more traffic coming into my store. So be blessed, take care, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.